Hello guys, good morning. Hello guys, what is he saying? Okay. So good morning, Anisha. I guess you are there on the feed, and let's start. Let's do a little bit of revision of the properties that you are seeing on the board. Okay. All right. So Sid, this was a challenging for you yesterday. All right. So now let's consider A, B, C, D, E as numbers, pure numbers. Give. They are in AP? Are they in AP? Good. Now tell me, let's select one value of K. Doesn't matter. Give any value. Okay. So 1 plus 5, as in this, 3 plus 5, 5 plus 5, 7 plus 5, 9 plus 5, and 11 plus 5. Is it correct? K, you told me, is 5. And these numbers are whatever those numbers are. So now, are they in AP? Will they be in AP? Let us see. 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16. Are they in AP? If A, B, C, D, E, F are in AP, then A plus K, B plus K, C plus K, D plus K are in AP. That's exactly what we show. That's it. That's exactly what it was. No, you tell me in numbers you understand, but the moment I put a variable, your mind starts reeling. Why? It should not. So this will be equal to this. What? Yeah, this is an example. I took some values of A, B, C, D, E, F. Okay. And I asked you to tell me, take one example value of K. You said 5. So if 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, 11 is in AP, then if you add a number to all of them, that new series will also be in AP. Which is true, no? 1 plus 5, 6. This difference is still 2. Here, still in AP. Yes, that is what it means. So, how will the question? No. It's okay. Question come will look later. But this is how it is. Okay. All right. Now, A, B, C, D, whatever, 3 numbers. D is not to be confused with that D, common difference wala. It is a variable. You understood, no? I'm not putting, let me put E and F. Let me not put D. Okay, D is that common difference. You can make common difference CD. Sorry? CD. Say? Common difference, you can name it as CD. You can, but there are formulas, no? Then you will be confused later. What is CD and what is D? Textbook mentions about D. Okay, if all formulas are in terms of D. For example, nth term is equal to A plus n minus 1D. D. If you put CD, then you have to put CD. Then later on you think it is C into D. You will make some mistakes. You understood? CD is nothing but common difference, abbreviation. See, the way you can get confused are infinite. Okay. So let's not do that. Let's keep it D. Let's keep some life simple. Okay. Now, Ananya, you take a few, give me values of A, B, C, D, E, F such that they are in AP. Values? Values. Just like he gave 1, 3, 5, 7, you give me something. Example. I just want to show you the same with an example. 1? How? See, 1 and 2 differences. Yeah. 1, 3 or 1, 2, 3? Sorry? 1 and 3. Yeah, you give me something else. You can start from 10, 12, any, you need not be 1 always. It can be any number, minus 100. Who cares? As long as it is in AP, correct? That's my only concern. Can I do 110? Yeah. But remember here, you are numerically challenged. As you go higher, you do like this. So keep simple. Okay, 110. Okay, all right. Brother Siddharth is there. He'll help you out. Okay, 19. Next number. Helper man. 90. Then
28, 37, 46,
Bus, 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 bus,
64.
bus, bus, bus. That's okay. Now select one value of k. Don't take 100. Or okay, take 100 rather. That's better. Shall I take 100? Okay. Now I multiply each number with 100. So this becomes 100. Yes. This becomes 1000, 1900, 2800, 3700, 4600. Two zeros you have to add in front of the number. Now, are they still in AP? Is the question. Are they in AP? How much is this? 900? Difference?
Yes.
900? 900? 900? Difference? 900? If this is in AP and if you are multiplying this with some number k not equal to 0, the resulting series will also be in AP. That is what it shows. This is all this. You understood, no? So that is what we were doing. So difference will be KD. So it is difference initially here it is what? 9, no? 9 into 100. 900, 900, 900, 900, 900. KD is, K is 100, D is 9. 9 into 100, 900. Reflect on this.
Okay, so the common difference will be
KD.
KB.
Correct, no? Common difference in the new series. That's what. That is what we have had written it here. That B minus A was D and K was common, so K into D. So simple. Correct, no? Yeah. All right. Ananya, you understood? So I'm going to start the day today with a, I will proceed further, okay? Hey, sorry guys, I think there was some problem in the feed. There was some problem in the sound. So whatever you missed, I'll probably tell you when you come back live. Okay. All right. Okay, tell me. You also remember one and keep. Or you tell me if you have in mind.
Kali.
Kali Mata. Okay, Kali Mata. Kali Rai Shalai, right? Jai Ma Kali. Okay. Tell me. Oh, you're obsessed with this? Name your daughter Bhutanashini. No boy will dare to come close. Okay. All right. Bhutanashini. Chalo. All right. So we will proceed further today. Good morning, folks. Let's begin. Okay. All right. So this is good, and we'll start with formula.
3 times and 2.
Yes. We'll start. Okay. So you understood whatever we did so far. So this was my plan on the very first day to teach you all the chapters at the conceptual level. But then I realized you may just run away. Would it have been a good idea to teach you all the concepts of 25 chapters at one go? No, right? That's what I thought. See. So let's start with geometric progression, right in the formula book. Okay. So now you know arithmetic progression, the difference is between two consecutive or successive numbers is the same. What do you think about geometric progression? What do you think? Just guess what it could be.
Progressing in geometry.
Sorry?
Progressing downwards in geometry.
No. Even arithmetic progression can be downwards. See, remember minus 100, minus 98.
So,
Or rather, downward as in, okay, minus 2, minus 4, minus 6, it's going back, right?
geometry and
Okay, very good. Though that is not right. Okay. Progression is a sequence of numbers such that ratio between successive terms is the same. So basically, there the difference was same, here the ratio is same. Understood? All right. Successive, consecutive, you can write anything, okay? Chalo. All right. When in doubt, always follow the definition from the textbook. I don't think they are going to ask you, but you understood this, right? So let's say let the first number be 2, second number is 4, third number is 6. Very good. What do you think? If it is 6, it becomes a AP, 2, 2.
then will it be 8?
Yes. It will be 2 times, this is 2 times of this.
Then
This
60, 30 to 64, 128 to 56, 500, 1024, 2040, 4000,
2056, I think. 2048, okay, no.
8192, 16384.
I know you seem to be very good in computers, I know. Those are the binary numbers.
I memorized
Yeah.
when I was 2 years.
Why?
No, not to seconds.
Okay, but why was this necessary? Because of computers? Then?
2 GB RAM, 4 GB RAM, 8 GB.
Oh, that way. Computers only, that means. Yeah. All right. So this is the one, guys. In GB. Okay. With first term. What is the first term here? Ananya, which is the first term? 2. Ratio. Common ratio usually referred to as common ratio. Let me see. Okay. Guys, continue. I will just see. Common ratio, yes. What is the common ratio? What is the ratio between two terms? Second term by first term.
4/2.
Correct. Is what?
2.
Would it change if we had taken 16 by 8?
Yes.
It would have changed. No, it doesn't change. Otherwise, then it is not an AP. If it is the ratios keep on changing. 16 by 8 is again 2, no? Take any two consecutive terms. The ratio should be the same. Ratio is 2, 2, 2, 2, 2, 2, 2, whatever.
Everything is multiplied by 2.
Yes. So ratio is okay. So you got the first term, you got the common ratio. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay. What is the eighth term? Answer? Mr. GB RAM. What is the next number here?
250.
Very good. Ananya, next question to you. What is the 100th term? So unfair. Asking such a tough question. You understood, right? It's okay. It's a huge number. Just write it down. Just write it down till this point.
Will be above me, bro.
It's okay. It's okay. It's okay. No, no issues. You can also tell me in the form 2 raised to something. That also is accepted. Anyway, don't do it. At least you understood the difficulty, right? So Anisha, I hope you are getting what we are doing on the board. So evening we are meeting, right? Today? Let's meet, okay? We'll see what we can cover. An everyday formula. Remember the story I told you? Study formula like you are, it's a mantra. Okay. Why do you think great scientists can see things or great mathematicians can see things which ordinary people can't?
Because they play chess.
No. You also play chess. Why can't you see
I can see the future in trigonometry.
your future in trigonometry?
No.
Future
The
steps.
sun, yes.
You know why that is? Not because you play chess, because you have practiced so much, you have developed insight into those problems. Because you have practiced so much. Great scientists, great mathematicians can see those things which others can't, not because they play chess, but because they have thought about it so much that insight on its own they will develop into the subject matter. You understand, right? So that's the thing. So what I'm saying is you develop insights only by doing more and more.
Same like chess.
Same wages. Exactly.
I learned it by myself.
Ananya, you know how to play chess? So how will you play checkmate with the criminals? Let me know once you're done. Okay, done? Okay. When you see a maths problem, what is your first reaction? Oh my god, I have to solve this. That's a problem. You have to change that attitude. Then things will become easy. So, what is your first thought? What are your first thoughts when you see a maths problem? Are you scared?
Yes.
That is your problem. You have to change that.
If it's too long, I get scared.
You should not know. If I tell you this is the way to go, it may be 1 kilometer, but if you keep walking, you will reach. Yes? Then it may be even 10 kilometers, but you will reach. You should be willing to walk that path. All right. All right, let's move on. Let's this question, we'll just keep it as it is. Let's do some derivation. Okay. See how people derive. So let the first term be a in the common ratio. Let the first term be a and common ratio be r, without the quotes, of course. Is it okay? So first term, Ananya, first term is very good. So second term is
Uh,
think and tell. The ratio between these two guys is r. This term by this term is equal to r. Sorry? No. Think again,
A
child.
plus R.
No. You are. It was just an echo, as if.
B.
No, not b. Tell me in terms of. Sorry. Okay, let me write. Second term by first term.
B by A.
Wait. Don't just say whatever you want. Second term by first term is equal to
Ratio R.
r. Second term I don't know, but first term is.
A.
So second term is.
R.
Second term is.
Will you cross multiply?
Of course, I have to know. I can't keep this a hanging down.
R into A.
AR. Understood? See, this is how you need to think. Third term is
A R R. A R square.
ARR. Okay. Now fourth term, our very good. It was coming to you. You realized. Okay. Nth term.
A R to the power N.
Fourth term is.
A R to the power N minus.
You understood that, right? Understood. Now let's come back here. First term. I've rubbed it completely. Was 2, right? 2, 4, 8, something like that, right? What was the series? 2, 4, 8.
4, 8.
Okay. Ratio is also 2. So, nth 100th term. 100th term is
A R.
denoted by T100, let's say. A.
A R N minus.
So, n minus 1 is 100th term. Fourth term was AR cube. So, 100th term will be AR
90.
AR 99 is equal to 2 raised to 100. Does anybody have a doubt from here to here? No, right? A raised to m and a 1 into a raised to n is equal to a raised to m plus n. Copy. So this is the formula for the nth term. So write down this also. So guys on the feed, any problem, any doubts you guys have? I hope you are writing in the formula book. Okay. So Anshuman, are you following? Please do it. Wait, let me finish this. Then you take 2 minutes back. You guys are done, right? So let me just sum of n terms of a GP, okay, of a geometric progression. So S is equal to A plus, which is the next term?
Yeah.
Very good.
PR square. PR.
Last term, there are n terms.
AR.
Nth term is,
AR in minus.
so that is the one, AR n minus 1. Okay. Now we want to find the total of all this. Any idea how you can do it? Okay. Let's say case 1. Okay. R is equal to 1. Ratio is 1. So S will become what? A plus
1.
A into 1.
A into 1.
Correct. Plus this one.
A.
Plus this one.
A.
Very good. How many times? How many terms will be there? N terms. Correct now? N terms. So what will this be? A plus A plus A plus A 10 times. What will be A plus A plus A 3 times?
8. 3. 3. 3.
3A.
3.
A plus A plus A is 3A. What is A plus A plus A plus A? 4 times.
4.
N times.
NA.
NA. If the ratio is 1, sum is n into A. Chalo, understood, right? N terms. If I say n is equal to 100, so it will be 100 A into first term. That's what it is. Now case 2. R is less than 1. Ratio can be more than 1, can be less than 1. Yes? You understood, right? If, what is the ratio here? 2. Sorry? Ratio, not the difference. Ratio is always the second term by the first term. That's it. So 80 by 100 is what? Can you tell? 8 by 10? 0.8. Is it 0.8 greater or less than 1?
Yes.
Sure? Sorry? Okay. Is it greater than 0 or less than 0?
Greater than.
You learn from her, man. Huh, tell me, how child? Huh? Okay, one more chance to rectify your answer. Is it greater than 0, less than 0? Change your answer altogether. Okay, it is greater than 0 because anything less than 0 should be negative, no? The moment you go to the left side of 0, it's all negative numbers. Yes? Okay. So now let's say, how do we do it, man? How do we solve? If this was not known and you were sitting next to an apple tree and seeing the apple fall, then you would have probably come up with an answer. You are sitting in the field and you are looking at this and an apple falls. You may not invent gravity, but at least you may think how to solve this geometric progression. How you would have solved? Can you tell me?
Discovered gravity, not people.
Sorry?
People invented gravity.
Correct.
It was discovered.
Yes, I'm sorry. But can you please tell me how you do it? Ananya, any idea? We'll do one thing. We'll multiply this with r. This entire thing. The moment I multiply with r, all the terms will be multiplied with r raise. Yes. So r into s is equal to ar plus ar square plus ar cube plus arn minus 1 plus arn. You understood this? If I multiply this with r, every term will be multiplied with r. So a will become ar, which I am start writing from here. This ar will become ar square. This ar raised to n minus 1 will become ar raised to n. Because of multiplication with r, no, so one more r will be added. You understood this? Do you think you have found out how to solve this? Think properly. Can I subtract this? If I subtract, change the sign. Yes?
They're subtracting this from that.
Yeah, this minus this. So S minus RS is equal to A. A has nothing to subtract. So A will come straight away. This gone, this gone, this gone, everybody gone. This has nothing on the top. So it will become minus ARN. Yes? Did not understand? Understood? You understood? No. What you did not understand? What? You understood this minus this I can do? This minus, there is nothing to subtract here. We will just A minus 0 you consider A only. This minus this gone. They'll cancel out. All these guys will cancel out except this last term because we have nothing on the top to cancel. So this minus this. So it will become minus sign. I have written it here. Okay, good. So now this becomes S 1 minus R is equal to A 1 minus R raised to N. Is it okay? Understood, right? There's nothing to understand here. A common, close the bracket. This is what it will. Which one?
Oh, yeah, first one.
No. S minus RS.
So you take S as common.
S I took common, then whatever is left is 1 minus R.
Then R minus.
Why R minus 1? If I open the bracket, S into 1 S into R, RS. Correct? So S is equal to A 1 minus Rn 1 minus R. That is the formula of n terms. If the ratio is less than 1. Why have we taken a ratio? See, if it is less than 1, clearly, let's say ratio is 0.8. Okay. S is equal to 100 and R is equal to 0.8. Which one do you think will be more? S will be more or RS will be more?
RS.
Sure. Very good. What do you think? Where are you putting your money on? S is more or RS is more? RS means R into S. Sorry? Very good. Let's multiply. S is 100. What is 0.8 into 100?
80.
Is that more? But at least you understood, right? 0.8 into 100. That's why bigger minus smaller number. You understood? In the third case, it will be the other way around. Is this understood? Sure, right? That's the formula.
Who created this one?
Maybe all these Gauss brothers.
At first time.
Yeah. See, that's what. If you think about it, you will come out with answers. If you think about IPL, about RCB, only thing that can happen is RCB will lose. So don't think about RCB, think about mathematics. So they can, don't put pressure on them, they will win. Okay? Alright, start writing, guys.
What is today's date?
30. 30, last day.
What 4 days for RCB?
Sunday, huh?
Fourth.
Anyway, you have to come back on 5th, so don't worry. Start writing, yeah.
I hope I come back with that one.
You will come back happily, don't worry. At least you won't be sad because of maths. So guys on the feed, I hope things are clear. So Anshuman, what's happening? Did you understand what I just derived? There is no response from Anshuman.
How many people?
3. Okay, fine. Anisha, you are getting what we did. There is one more case that needs to be derived, but other than that, that's all that we have in geometric progression, and maybe a few properties. What you did not understand, Anshuman? Please explain again. So, Siddharth, would you like to explain again?
No.
No, why don't you go and try, Sid? Come on.
No.
That's exactly what I lectured you on with that microphone off. Remember, don't resist. Let it happen. Just go and do it. We'll see what happens. Okay?
Let her go.
No. Don't point fingers at each other. If you can't do it, if you are stuck, do you think she will sit here and laugh at you? No, she will jump into the arena and she will explain the rest. Right, Ananya? Yes, she is agreeing to it. Why don't you start yourself then first? Come on, sit.
Let her start.
No. Go. I'm ordering you now. I'm using my power as a teacher to order you to walk towards the board and explain.
First I'll write.
Sorry?
I'll write.
Okay, write fast. Okay, so Anshuman, your dear friend Siddharth is going to explain. So please pay attention. Please do the honors.
What should I explain?
Everything, whatever is there on the board.
Partial process.
Man, what is this? You go, it will happen automatically. So Sid is finally walking towards the board and is looking around. He seems lost. Now he's looking into his book and he's smiling. He's up to something. He's scratching his head. He's moving his weight from one feet to another. Can you think you do it, Ananya? We are commentating, okay? Commenting. Like a commentator in the match.
I don't think he's just moving around.
He's just moving around. So let's see. He's the most valuable player.
What should I explain?
Explain everything, whatever is written on the board. Just leave the blanks and the white spaces. Don't have to explain that. Just whatever is black, you explain.
S is equal to something.
Okay. So now, so it is saying that S is equal to A plus AR square plus AR cube. Naturally, they are the consecutive numbers of a geometric progression. If the first term is A, the second term is AR, next term is AR square. Understood? Anshuman, is that understood?
So first we'll go to case 1.
Okay. Now we are selecting case 1. What happens when R is equal to 1? When the ratio between two successive terms or two consecutive terms is 1.
If R is equal to 1 and you don't know the sum, you should find the sum.
Yes.
And this much is given.
So A becomes A, R becomes A again because R is equal to 1. AR square is again A.
AR is equal to A into 1, which is A. So it will be A till n.
So there are n A's, and when you add them, it will be n into A. Hopefully that explains. Case 1 is clear, Anshuman?
No, she'll explain.
No, wait. You explain the second case.
I will depends on.
Okay, so in the second case, there is a possibility that the ratio is less than 1. Okay, so we write down the same expression S is equal to A plus AR square plus AR cube dot AR n minus 1. Okay, now there we multiply both sides with R. So it becomes left hand side becomes RS and right hand side becomes wherever there was A, it became A into R. The second term was AR, now it became AR square and so on and so forth. The last term earlier was AR raised to n minus 1, that became AR raised to n, as you can see on the board. Now you subtract the second one from the first one. So S minus RS is the left hand side, and on the right hand side everything gets cancelled except A, and then you have minus AR raised to n.
That.
Wait, stand there. Is that understood, Hanshuman?
Done.
Stand there. Yeah. Understood? Yes. Okay. So now when you subtract, can you explain the subtraction? He is having trouble with the subtraction. There. That's S minus RS is done. Below that.
Below this.
Okay. Now that is done. Yeah, that step is clear. Put your finger. He understood that. After that, you explain.
So this thing you do.
Okay.
You subtract this big term by small term. You minus this.
Okay.
So it will be S minus RS. Over here everything cancels because you multiply it with R. Then you will be left with only A and AR to the power n.
Okay.
You will minus both because you change the sign.
And then what happens?
Then you take A as common out there
Huh.
and you do this.
Okay.
Or here you take S as common.
Okay. Then
you make some formula.
no. What formula? A into bracket 1 minus Rn, and then how come that 1 minus R came down there? S had 1 minus R, right? So how did that come? I'm not clear on that.
So S is equal to, if you want to find S is equal to this thing.
How?
My sir thought.
Sorry?
My sir thought. No.
No, I don't know. Sir is confused now. Can you explain how? Divide both sides by 1 minus r. So 1 minus r, 1 minus r on the left hand side will cancel. RHS, you will get that. Yes? Okay, Ananya, are you clear? Now, Siddharth sir, Anshuman is saying, he explained so well. Siddharth, Anshuman is saying, Siddharth let Siddharth explain, derive the third case. He's impressed.
Let her do it.
Okay. So, Anshuman, I am turning down your request. Siddharth is not going to do it. I am the teacher. I'll explain. All right. So, case 3. Shall I change the case 3 here? Okay. Now, Ananya is investigating whether it is true or false. So, that is a CBI attitude. Go and explore. Okay. So, in this case, S is equal to this. Okay. We'll do one thing. Instead of doing this, okay, tell me if R is greater than 1, which one will be more? RS is more or S is more? Now R is greater than 1.
Others.
Where are you putting your money?
We'll use the same equation, but we'll add.
I'm not saying anything. Just tell me R is greater than 1. Will RS be more or S be more?
RS.
Correct. R is greater than more. Let's say it is 2S and S. Next one 2S is more. Don't have to think too much. So we'll subtract the smaller one from the bigger one. So now RS is more. So I'll do RS here and subtract the smaller guy from the bigger guy. So this is AR plus AR square plus AR cube plus ARN minus 1 plus ARN. Is it right?
Same.
Same story. Same. Just I'm writing. I'm not subtracted anything as of now. Yes? Okay, no?
Yes.
Now subtract. So what will be the result of subtraction? Tell me.
A.
No. On the left hand side.
RS minus.
RS minus S is equal to what? Minus A. 0 minus A minus A. Okay. Everything gone. What about this? AR raised to N minus nothing. Minus 0 you can say. So plus plus
Oh.
ARN minus whatever is here. There is nothing here. No, look here. This minus this. There is nothing. 0. You consider 0. Yes or no? You're not getting it? Here there is nothing. So I can say 0. Okay. 0 plus. So 0 minus A minus A. AR raised to N minus 0. There is nothing extra.
Okay.
Everybody got shifted. So it has no pairing left. So AR. Okay. So now what do I do? It is S R minus 1 common. A 1 plus R raised to N. S is equal to A 1 plus R raised to N by
R minus.
R minus 1. Wait, I think this is a mistake here. There is minus A here, right? You understood, right? This is minus A, no? 0 minus A. So it was minus A. Yes? So when I open the bracket, I'll get this. So minus 1 plus Rn is nothing but Rn minus 1. Yes?
Yes.
So this is the formula. If you see there is a change of sign. In that case, this is case 3 by the way. R was less. So 1 minus Rn, 1 minus R. Now it is just the other way around. Rn minus 1, R minus 1. Any doubts? Think about it. You will get it.
It is just to be wrong.
Just ulta. It's like multiplying -1 in the numerator, -1 in the denominator. -1 in the numerator, you can multiply both numerator and denominator with the same number. There is no problem, except 0, of course. So it will change. But yeah, this is the bigger idea behind all this. Okay. All right. Right. Start writing this down. This is the last formula in this. We'll see what else is there afterwards.
How many chapters do you have?
After this, there is a reflection. You can take a break for 5 minutes.
Then 10 chapters.
12 means conceptually 12 chapters, but then we have to start with matrices now, exercises and solve problems.
After this, can we take a 5 minutes break?
Yes, take a 5 minutes break. Sid only wants 2 minutes break, so he'll get 2 minutes break.
Thank you.
No, Anshuman, you can't hear him because he does not have the microphone. But he explained very well. I just repeated whatever he said. Done? Good. Take a break.
Oh, sorry.
Yes. Anshuman, did you understand the third case?
Done. Five-minute break.
So, Anisha, Anshuman, take 5 minutes break. We'll meet at 10:15. It's 10:11 now. Okay, guys, let's start. Let's move. Okay, guys, let's start. Let's move. Sure. Good. Anisha, are you there? Okay, so Anisha is there. Anshuman, I guess, is there. Let's see. Let's move on. We'll deal with reflection. Okay. What do you understand by the term reflection? Or before that, let me see if some properties are there so that I can scare you guys a little bit more.
Is it difficult?
Sorry?
Is it difficult?
Reflection is one of the most easiest chapter.
I hope so.
It is, it is. No hoping, I'm telling you. Have you ever seen your face in the mirror?
Yes.
Done. Then it is easy for you. Do you understand the coordinate system?
Yes. That graph.
Yeah, graph thing, yes. We won't use the graph here. I mean, of course, you need to, but I'll do it with a rough hand. So, okay. All right, let's start. Reflection. Chapter 10, reflection. Then leave one page and then start, just in case something comes up. Did you leave this page? Next. Hmm. All right. So, x-axis, y-axis, y dash, y. Is it right?
Yes.
Very good. What is the coordinate of this?
0.
0, comma 0. Let's say this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This one is
1. Minus 2.
minus 1. Ananya, this one. This one.
1.
This one. Okay. Okay. So far so good. Can you come and point out where is 3, comma 4?
3, comma.
Yes. Plot the point on this. Where is 3, comma 4? Here.
I comma.
See how I made you come. 3, comma 4. Yeah. Wait. Name it as A, comma. Name it as A, point A. No, correct. A, you write down A here. A. Point A, no. Capital. Okay, very good. Now, x-axis is the mirror. Which is the x-axis? This is the mirror.
Mirror means facing this side or this side?
This side, so that A can see its face. There will be a reflection of A inside the mirror. Correct? No. What will be the coordinate of that point? Simple, very simple. Careful. Huh?
0, comma 3.
Think and tell. See, it's not like this. The If I'm standing in front of the mirror, if the mirror is on the wall, behind that much only my image will be formed. This distance will be the distance inside, yes or no? Same thing. Understood, right? Tell me if I'm standing in front of a mirror. Okay, mirror is on the wall. My distance from here to that mirror will be the distance of that mirror and my image inside.
So it'll be somewhere here.
Not somewhere, tell me the exact point. And the name that as A dash. It's okay, it's okay. You can write down, but write down the right coordinates. A dash. You understood this?
E dash.
It will not be the same, no? A dash, yeah, is okay. Now, Ananya, what will be the, where will be the image of this point if y-axis is the mirror? You understood? There where? Ah, see, she is clever. She understood. She has to come. It's not going to work sitting there and saying here, left, right, left, right. Now you can take the pen, yeah.
So if the mirror is here,
This is the mirror, and A is looking at her face in the mirror. So where will the image be formed? Coordinates of that. Coordinates
Is Madhusudan coming?
should,
Did he come next?
wait, is for the x coordinate. The order is important.
It's X5.
Okay,
It should always be X5.
say A double dash, dash dash, not two.
how is this?
One dash, after that one more dash, A double dash. Yes. Now, because you came, solved a very, you solved it very well. I'll give you one more chance to. Now, what will be the, where will the image of this point be formed if mirror is at 0, 0? Let's say the mirror is here. Yes. What are the coordinates? Is that right?
Ulta.
Ulta.
-3, -4.
X will be -3 and Y will be -4. Yes. So you have to bring it from here and you have to bring it from here. You understood, right?
No.
Eh. From here you have to come there. Correct? The straight
Just
line.
change the sign.
Just change the sign. 3 becomes -3, 4 becomes -4. Yeah. So you understood, right? So you understood? So this is the chapter.
That's it.
More complexities may come, but you understood this. It's a great thing. Okay. Now. So. Okay. Let A 2, 3 be a point. Okay. Let's say mirror is x-axis. Coordinate becomes, if mirror is x-axis, 2, 3 will become, sorry, not 2, 3, 4. No, you took. 4 will become what? 3, -4. If mirror is considered as y-axis, reflection in the x-axis, reflection in the y-axis of this point, written like this. Okay. If it is in the y-axis, it will become -3, 4. You guys are getting it or no? If it is at the origin, I think it is denoted as this origin. It is -3, -4.
What's L minus?
X is the mirror, x-axis is the mirror, y-axis is the mirror, origin is the mirror. Or basically you can think of it as reflection in the origin, reflection in y-axis, reflection in x-axis. Understood, right? Okay. To generalize, let's say to generalize, reflection in x-axis of a point x1 comma y1 will be x1 comma minus y1, x1 y1, x1 minus y1. Reflection in the y-axis, x1 y1 will be minus x1 y1. And third point, reflection in origin, x1 y1 will become minus x1 minus y1. Understood? That should sum it up. Got it or no?
Process.
Processing. Okay, process.
Process.
You understood?
Yes.
That's it. That's all that you need to know, but there is one more thing which I will tell. Okay. Chananya, you understood? If there is something which is not clear, let me know. Just by looking at this and your common sense, you should be able to figure this out.
Read Madhusudan Karma's statement.
Yes. All right. So start writing this. Draw this. Okay. You understood, which is a good thing, but you also need to write. You may have to draw some of this on the graph paper. Okay. So do you like drawing on a graph paper? Okay. Do it as a last resort if you don't. If there is nothing more that you can attempt, you can come back to this. But these are very simple problems actually. It will help you pass and score also. What's your time, Sid?
10:30.
Okay. So I think we'll not start anything new today. I would want you to sit and you'll go back home only after you revise and tell me the formula. That's a good one. That's like your typical first standard tuition class, right? Teacher won't allow you to go home till you have completed.
Which one?
Whatever we learned in the last 2 days, arithmetic progression, geometric progression, what we learned today about reflection. Done? Okay. So can you tell me, can you draw the line y is equal to 4? No, I'm just think about it. How are you going to draw a line whose equation is y is equal to 4? Have you ever drawn it in the earlier classes, in the lower classes? Sid? Can you?
Even at 4 centimeters.
Okay. I mean, how will the line? Will it be tilted? Will it be straight? Will it be horizontal? Huh?
Horizontal.
Will it be vertical? Naturally. This is horizontal, correct? Okay, wait. Then we will see. What about?
I don't know that's horizontal.
See, the thing is, whenever you say an answer, you should think whether that is correct.
I'm confused between horizontal.
Okay, don't worry. I will not ask you horizontal or vertical. Just come and draw the line. We will decide whether it is horizontal or vertical. Straight. Okay. Even horizontal lines are also straight. That's why it is a line. If it is not straight, then it will be a curve.
So, like this,
Like this. Okay. That is a vertical line.
vertical.
You are standing vertically, right? Horizontal means you lie on the floor.
It's vertical.
Yes. So, Sid, are you done? Did you draw this? Don't tell me you haven't. That's what. Hey, you have to.
She completes it.
I know, I know. Hey, you are writing everything that I am giving, right?
Yeah.
You should. Yeah, this is important. You will refresh. It contains a part of your masterpiece that you did. A dash and A double dash, I think.
So pretty.
Yeah, pretty, but you need to write that down. So, did you go for tuitions as a child? Because,
Last year,
no, not last year, as a child. You went for mathematics then?
I,
Last year.
yeah, maths, last year,
How many children were there in the class?
4. Like many are there from DFS, from some other schools.
How come they are in the same class as you? DLF is CBSE, you are ICSE.
Like she used to teach us different.
Okay, 3 here, 3 there, 3 there. That way.
In one room.
And then she will teach you ICSE, she will teach them CBSE.
She'll first teach you the concept, then she'll tell you the science.
And you solved everything? Sure? Hmm. Okay, good. You're done? For sure? Truthfully? Honestly?
I do analyze.
Yeah. But you wrote down, right, everything properly? You will understand, right? When you go home, you will be able to read and understand what you've written. Okay. So, all right. Tell me, how would the line y is equal to 2 look like? Vertical, huh? Okay.
2 centimeters.
Okay. Y is equal to 2 does not mean 2 centimeters. It means that every point on that line is having a y coordinate of 2. So, for example, same diagram. Do you know what is y is equal to 2? A line with y is equal to 2.
Yes.
Where? Tell me, which one? How will it look like?
It will be equal to
Okay, here.
this over here.
This is not y is equal to 2. This is x is equal to 2. Because see, it will be this. You know why? Y is equal to 2. Because every point on this has y is equal to 2. Yes or no? Everything. X may change, but y is always 2. That's why y is equal to 2 is the equation on this line. Understood? X is equal to 3 from here. So every point on this, x is equal to 3. Y may change, but x will always be 3. So this is y is equal to 2. Now tell me, if the mirror is this, y is equal to 2, where will this point be? You thought it was that simple, huh?
Yeah.
Huh. Draw. Here, there, you don't show. You have to draw. You have to show. Just remember this one point that whatever distance, that's all.
Over here.
Over here, nahi. You draw and tell me the coordinates. You understood, Ananya? Are you sure?
Because over here, this much distance. This is the middle. That's why you draw will be behind them.
Okay, so number the point A4 dash 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 A4 dash
A4.
A dash A2 dashes A3 dashes A4 dashes. Okay, coordinates. It will have some coordinates, no?
This is 0. That's why 0.
X is 0. You're getting it? Right there, no? Next to it. 3 comma 0. Okay. Understood? One more. Then I think probably we would be done with this. That she will do. Yes, she will do. What do you think? She's scared of it? No. Don't dare, okay? Tell me what is the equation of this line? Ananya, what is the equation of this line passing through 5? X is equal to 5, y is equal to 5.
X is equal.
Why? Does every point on this line has x is equal to 5? Yes or no? I will grill you. I will mislead you. But I want you to stand your ground.
X is equal to 5.
Why? Again, the same story. Is every point on this? Huh?
Yes.
Does this point, let's say this point, is its coordinate x?
Yes.
What is the y coordinate? Let's, huh?
Yes.
Okay. What is the y coordinate of this?
1.
X coordinate of this?
5.
Y coordinate? Somewhere around 3. Okay, chalo. So this is, now what is the reflection of this point if this is the mirror? If you can do this, you can solve this exercise. Honestly, I'm telling you. Yeah, okay. I'll take care. I'll take care.
Is it out of the box?
Let me see.
So this is
So please check whether she is telling correctly. No, I think it's fine. Tell me.
Is this the mirror?
Point A is reflected in what is that line? X is equal to 5. So where will the reflection be? Make it A dash 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 5 times.
No.
So here the mirror.
This is the mirror, yes.
No.
And here,
On that side, okay, you make the point, that is okay, but tell the right coordinates. I know it is outside.
No coordinates.
yeah, don't know.
It is the arrow line itself shows that you can extend it. There will be coordinates.
You have to create the coordinates.
That's fine. No, that you create. Even that is not necessary. You can just see what is the distance in front. Same thing, you take the distance at the back and tell the coordinates.
Actually.
Yeah.
Maybe 4,
Tell me the x coordinate.
6.
9.
No, this is 3, that is why. So 2 more.
It be 9.
No.
From here till here it's 6. From here till that.
Wait. Ananya, tell me one second. Let me ask you. What is this? How many units distance is this?
3.
Huh? 3 to 5 here. How much? What is the distance? What is this? How much is this? 1 centimeter, let's say. 2 centimeter. It is 2 centimeters in front of this mirror. So 2 centimeters back it will go. So what will be the coordinate?
2 centimeters.
After inside 5 means behind 5.
3.
3 is the original image.
So 2.
Inside.
4.
See, this is the mirror. Where will the image be? If the coordinate should go further, no? So what is the coordinate? Yes. 7. Y coordinate? 4. You understood? Said?
Yes.
That is all that we have. Understood? This is 5. This is 3. 2 units here. So take 2 units here. 5 का 7 हो गया. And same y axis 7 comma 4. So that's, you will have to plot the points and make some figures on the graph paper, and you have to tell whether it's a parallelogram or square or a rectangle or whatever, those kind of problems. That should be easy. Okay, so now what's the time?
47.
47. No, okay, take 5 minutes, and after that you tell me a few problems and then you can go. Okay,
On.
few formulae.
Only formula.
Only formula. Okay.
You ask me answer.
Of what I taught today and yesterday. AP, GP, matrices, and reflection. Okay. All right, guys. So hope students on the feed, you understood what we did today. If there are any doubts, just get back to me. I am closing this feed now. All right. So guys, have a good day. And from tomorrow onwards, we are on a mini break. From 1st of May till 4th of May, we meet again on Sunday, 5th May. I'll send out a official message on WhatsApp to this effect to you and to your parents. All right. So, okay, guys. Thank you so much. Have a good day. And of course, yeah, one more thing is we have classes in the evening. Of course, we do have classes in the evening.
During the holidays.
No, today. We have classes in the evening today. Okay. No classes either in the morning or in the evening on 1, 2, 3, 4. 5th we meet again in the morning at 9. Okay. All right. Chalo. Bye. Have a great time, guys.